welcome back into this show. Time for some 8-1 for your look. Join with us now. We have Dr. Bridget Flickinger, who is the owner of Bloom Medaesthetics. Alongside her, we've got Happy Valley Hannah, who is a local content creator, lifestyle influencer, and a client of Bloom. Welcome to the show, ladies.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Okay. So, Dr. Bridget, a fun announcement. You guys are expanding. You're in State College already, but now you're opening up a place in Altoona.
Yeah, we're super excited about our success over the last couple of years in State College, and we love Altoona. It feels like home for us, so we decided to open up shop here. It's great.
And tell everybody what it is that you provide at your office.
So a medical aesthetics practice. We do, most people know as Botox, fillers, microneedling. We do some laser hair removal and things in State College, but in the Altoona office, primarily skincare, medical grade facials, and our weight loss program, which has been very successful.
Yes, all different things to help people achieve their, goals, whatever that looks like for them. How do you guys set yourself apart from other med spas?
Well, I like to focus on the fact that the physician is present in the office, where all medical trained team are RNs, PAs, myself, I'm there all the time, and we love to make sure that we're in detail with the patient's medical history, safe, and conservative. We're not there to make you look different. We want you to look like a revitalized, confident version of yourself.
Because we are seeing more and more of these treatments and facilities popping up, which is why I think it's so crucial to be able to trust your injector and who you're working with, so you kind of get exactly what you're looking for.
We have lots of patients that show up after big weight loss or chemotherapy, and they just don't feel the way that they want to feel after those kinds of adventures, and it's a really nice opportunity to be able to help them optimize their appearance and confidence.
I think sometimes people don't even realize what it can do for them until they start to kind of tiptoe and decide how to start, which is why, okay, Hannah, you decided to get on board.
I did.
What would you recommend, because you were somebody kind of new to this, tried to, experiment with some things that worked for you?
I had a dear friend that had wonderful results with Dr. Bridget, and so I was eager to try it out. I think one of the best things is that Dr. Bridget is an emergency medicine doctor. So, I feel like I am in good hands. And, it's such a natural approach. Nothing is overdone. It's not high pressure at all. You go in, you're just very relaxed, and there's no judgments, and so it's just been a great experience.
What would you say if someone's new to this, how to kind of assess where to start?
Just a consult. I think that's the best place to start. It's not scary. We don't sell you on anything. We're just trying to get an assessment of what you want, what your face looks like, what we think would be best with your health history, and give you the results that you're after. But, if you decide at the end of the day that's not for you, that's fine. There's no pressure.
Yes, and because everyone has different goals and, things they want to achieve. It can look like a lot of different things, right? What we're targeting as far as, lifting, you can really give definition. I mean, if there's certain things that you don't like or the texture of your skin, you can, treat that as well.
So you're treating the bone loss as we age, you lose structure, fine lines and wrinkles, sunspots, volume loss is really the big problem as particularly the perimenopausal, menopausal ages. You've done some sun damage, not enough SPF when we were, it wasn't even a thing when I was little. I mean, it was there, but we didn't use it. It was the baby oil and sun in our hair days, and now we're paying for that. But so we have a lot of things to undo slow and steady, and it doesn't have to be a lot of downtime, which is nice.
Yeah, I really love this culture that we're creating right now of investing in yourself, and especially your skincare too. That's sort of where it starts. And if you can, start when you're young, it will pay off, in the long run.
Yes, and I've had a couple of ladies in their 70s come into the office, and they're almost sheepish about saying, is it too late for me? But it's never too late to be the most confident version of yourself. And there's so many things that we can do that people don't even recognize. They think you just had a great night's sleep or a different haircut, new makeup. and all of a sudden you look wide awake and refreshed.
Yeah, hey, who wouldn't love that?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What did you bring along here today just to kind of show some examples?
Mostly just some sample products of what we use. A lot of Restylane filler, a lot of Juvederm filler. Those are our two big lines. People ask me all the time if we use Botox brand, which we do carry. A lot of other practices have stopped using Botox, but we carry the Restylane line of fillers, which includes Sculptra, and Obagi Medical Skincare, which is my favorite.
Okay.
But that's what we have in the store. And then, you know, my anatomy man I use quite often in the office to explain what we're doing, why we're giving Botox. It's relaxing muscles, not lifting skin, you know, things along those lines, just so my patients understand what we're doing and why.
Yeah, you really have to know what you're doing, how it's going to affect a certain, you know, muscle movement or nerve in that region.
I don't think a lot of people truly understand what Botox is doing or the fillers, and that it can be done safely and with very low risk.
Yeah, very good stuff. Interesting, it really is. And depending on where you get it in your face, you use different products as well. So, yes, that's why we leave it to the professionals.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, and of course, remind us too, if we want to book an appointment or a consultation or visit your locations, tell us where you are.
We are behind the Eaton Park in My Salon Suites for this, you know, to get started here in the Altoona market. We also have a big office in State College on Allen Street. Our website, Bloom Medaesthetics, or bloommeda.com, will tell you all of it. Thank you.
You can find everything you need.
Yeah.
Well, great stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We appreciate your time. Okay, coming up, we're preserving history.